Hey, how does a malware survive a reboot? Okay, so to understand this, you need to know why, where, and how. So persistency is simply placing the malware in a location that the Windows operating system automatically trusts and execute during the boot or the logging process. The first basic method, they use the registry run keys. For this, they use some APIs. We already thought that APIs is the most important in malware development. So for this, they use some APIs like reg open key exa/w is open the specific registry key. Then another critical API, they use reg set value exa/w. So it's write the path of the malware into the registry value. Okay, so then they use reg close key. It's close the handle. Okay, so the basic part. Now the advanced part, the creating a scheduled task or installing itself as a service. So they use some another important APIs like the OpenSC manager a/w. It's connect to the service control manager, the SCM, and in malware development you need to first handle the SCM first. Okay, now they use create service a/w. It's the most important one. It registers the new services. Okay, now they use the start service a/w. It's the immediately start the service, so they don't have to wait for a reboot. Okay, now they using COM, the component object model. This is hard to detect than running a normal command. Okay, so for this they use some important APIs like the Coke create instance to like initialize the task scheduler class. Then they use iTask services connect. It's connect to the scheduler. Okay, then they use iTask folder register task definition. So it's create and save the actual task. Okay, now the most important method, the WMI Event Subscription, the most snaky part, and I love this. Okay, so why? Because this is almost purely done via COM, the component object model. So they use some most critical APIs like the co-initialize X and co-create instance. It's set up the COM environment. Okay, then they use IWM locator and connect server. Okay, it's connect the WMI namespace, like usually it's in the root/subscription part. Okay, then they use IWM services put instance. Okay, so the critical function, it save the malicious, the event filter, the trigger, and the command line event consumer. Okay, the main malware script into the WMI database. Okay, so if you guys want to know more like how a malware work, how you make a malware, or how a malware work, and also how you analyze a malware, then you need to follow Mr. Malman.